It's time for some midlife glam. I'm Angela Lee Pickard, 51 years old, and here are my secrets to looking your best at any age.
Merry Skin, what is it all about? And can we at midlife, 40s, 50s, 60s and beyond achieve this beautiful skin? Let's take a look together, ladies. Step one of this beautiful Mirror Skin trend is to hydrate your skin, and I'm gonna start off with a sheet mask, and this is full of hyaluronic acid, awesome stuff. And yeah, don't throw the rest away. Just hydrate your body and your skin as well, right? It's so good. Neck, décollage, shoulders. Okay, so we're done with that, and okay, so we mask it up first and rub in all the goodness of the hyaluronic acid. So, okay, what is mirror skin? Let me give you the actual definition of it instead of my own. And it says, mirror skin is a Korean beauty trend that refers to skin that is so intensely hydrated, smooth and even toned that it has a hyper reflective mirror-like finish. So my question to myself, and I guess some of you might be asking too, can we at 50 or over 50, I'm 51, achieve this mirror skin? So we are doing it together to try. So this is my first time trying this mirror skin trend. Normally I will do the glass skin, and with glass skin we just, to put it plainly, it's just putting your normal skincare and then just using petrolatum jelly or oils too. Okay, so we're gonna start with this water bank products from Laneige. Oh geez. Yeah, so to complete my sentence, I get interrupted so easily. Glass skin is basically using a final petrolatum jelly or barrier oil as a last step. Well, else with mirror skin is all about layering. And yes, we're gonna layer with all these products from Laneige. And yeah, I love that they have these, travel size packages. And yeah, let me wear my glasses so that I can read the instructions. I do use Laneige, but it's on and off situation. But today we're going full out Korean skincare. So we're gonna start with the Water Blue Hyaluronic Essence Toner. Is it focusing? Okay, so we're gonna start off with this. Let's see. I'm just gonna dabble some on my hands, like so. Okay. Ooh, ooh, yeah. And just place it all over my. Okay. So this is step 2. Another round of hyaluronic acid. Let's see how many steps it takes to get mirror skin. So I normally like to do also a facial massage, but I won't do it today because it'll take too long, the video, okay? Today is just about mirror skin. And the next product is the Milky Essence. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, so hard to open with the hands. Hang on, I got it open. The hands was so slippery, it was so hard to open. This is the Milky Essence. See, boop, 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 boop. Let's try it. How milky is it? Oh, it's not that milky. It's like almost like a lotion, right? Okay. So let's try with that. Let's the third step. Yeah. I love having glowy, dewy skin, and at 51 now, it does take effort, but I especially allocate the mornings and the nights to do my skincare routine. And yeah, ladies, you know, effort equals results. Sad to say, but it is true. Okay, so we're gonna try this. It's a gift from my cousin. It's PDRN. It's another hype and a trend, Korean trend. Now this one's by Medicube. I've never tried this product. She swears that, you know, it works like magic. So let's try. I have tried PDRN skin boosters. So this is what it looks like. And they are quite expensive. I did it in Singapore. And I've tried this, basically it's salmon sperm, right? So I tried, was it Rejuven injectables like 5 years ago, and it worked really good, but it was really expensive and it only lasted like 2 months. So for cost and for safety, because every time you do an injection, there are, you know, safety measures and risk involved. So to me, it wasn't worth it. So what does it say here? It says, experience plump and radiant skin from within with this serum, freshly formulated with salmon PDRN ingredient that boosts 99% purity. Ooh, let's try this Medicube. I love the pink, so cute and sweet, and let's hope it works wonders. Okay. This is the daily dose, but I think that you can purchase the full bottle of the serum. I'm only gonna use half, I think. Let's try. We try half first, and let's try it on. Oh, my glasses. So kind of my cousin. She's going to Korea soon, and I think I'm gonna have a list of items for her to buy for me. Okay. I think I can pack on a little bit more because, you know, I have mature skin and it's dry. So I'm finishing off the daily dose. And yeah. The texture is like a little bit thicker than the Laneige Milky Toner. Oh, it's very nice. Okay. Are we seeing any difference? Are we seeing any difference? Let's have a look. Is it? Okay, so is there any like mirror shine yet? Oh, a little bit. Okay, what's next? We are going in with the Laneige serum. So how many steps is that already? So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. PDRN was the 4th, and this is the 5th. Let's go in. The process is pretty long, but must be worth the effort. Okay, so now this is the Laneige serum. I've stopped using retinols and vitamin C on my face because the last few months, maybe the last 6 months, it has my skin has changed due to perimenopause, and it can't handle harsher creams, right? Okay, this one is the eye cream, and it was getting a lot of rashes, spots and stuff. So I stopped using any harsher skincare and just stick to very basic, and hyaluronic acid works wonders on my skin. So this is the eye cream. Okay. I have very dark eyes, dark circles, inherited. So I have to really take care of that. And the final step is with the hyaluronic cream. So Water Bank is all hyaluronic. I love hyaluronic. And okay, it's not a very thick cream. I've been using their creams as well, and I recommended it to my daughters, my mom even. Wow, does it look nice? Okay. Pretty yet? Okay. So, what's next? So, to my calculations, we've done 7 steps, and then the 8th step, if it's the night, I would actually, wrap it all up with this moisturizing it's a night mask, and it's a sleeping mask, bouncy and firm, right? Plump, hydrates, glow. Yeah. But because it's the day today, it's the morning, I'm going to actually try this Chanel Illuminator. Okay, it says Fluid Illuminator, sheer healthy glow, highlighting fluid. Before I prep my skin for makeup, I'm gonna try and use this for the final step, and let's see if it glows even more. Ooh, let's do half face so you can see the difference, right? This is the first time I'm doing a half face test. And after this, obviously I'm ready to put my makeup before I go out. Okay, is there any difference? The right side with the Illuminator glow and the left side. Okay, it's my right and my left. Oh, there is a huge difference, isn't it? So mirror skin? Mirror skin! Is it a yes or a fail? Is it a pass or a fail, ladies and guys? Okay, I'm loving this mirror skin. Okay, let's put the full face now. It's really quite stunning. Okay, this is really my new favorite. I'm gonna do this every day and see, like, this trend is really so cool. Oh my gosh. I feel like I look like 40. Okay, I'm loving it. And yeah, go give it a try. And thank you for joining me this morning on my mirror skin escapade, or mirror skin trial, or mirror skin introduction. All right, see you in my next video. Love and hugs. Bye-bye.